Looking for the best air conditioner heater combo? Here I have made the list of the top 5 best air conditioner heater combo in the market that are worth buying. Let's get started with the video. Number 5. Serenalife SLPAC10 is the classic tried and tested portable air conditioner with heater. It is a smaller 10,000 BTU cooling output model, more appropriate for heating and cooling smaller rooms. Because it's not the very newest model, it has a considerably lower price point. In fact, this is the cheapest portable AC heater. Serenalife SLPAC10 can generate up to 10,000 BTU of cooling output when running at 100% capacity. That is enough to cool down spaces up to 350 square feet. Using a 10,000 BTU portable AC heater can effectively avoid an overkill, buying a too powerful unit. This is also one of the few portable AC heaters that generate less than 10,000 BTU of heating output, 9,000 BTU, to be precise. If you apply the 30 BTU per square foot rule, this is enough to heat up to 300 square feet areas in the winter. The problem Serenalife SLPAC10 has is a barely above average energy efficiency. To produce 10,000 BTU cooling output, the Serenalife SLPAC10 needs 1,150 watt of electric input. Its effective EER rating is thus 8.7, only 0.2 above the 8.5 average. The price of Serenalife's unit is very low. No other portable AC unit with heater can compete with below $400 pricing. All in all, the Serenalife SLPAC10 is the smallest and cheapest combination of a heater and a portable air conditioner in one unit. It is available for less than $400. Number 4. People who aren't interested or able to permanently install a heating or cooling system in their homes, a portable air conditioner is fantastic. But some of them come as a cooler and heater combo, which makes them an excellent solution for people in more temperate climates. We're nominating the Winder Arc 14SH as the best portable air conditioner and heater combo because it's ideal for medium-sized rooms of up to 500 square feet and as a 4-in-1 solution. You'll get 14,000 BTUs for cooling and 13,000 BTUs for heating. This pick also comes with a dehumidifier that can cool the room by removing moisture, thanks to the 71 pints per day evaporation rate. And a fan function with 3 speeds is also nice. As is standard, this model comes with an installation kit. The dual hose design means that this portable air conditioner can use cooled air to reduce temperatures quicker. A 253 cubic feet per meter, CFM, rating puts it in the mid-range for performance. You'll also get a digital readout thermostat that can be adjusted between 61 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit either through the control panel or included remote control. Plus the auto drain feature recycles the collected moisture for more efficient operation. Number 3. BLACKDECKER is a well-known name in the portable air conditioner industry. The BPAC 14HWT model with a heater is capable of generating 14,000 BTU of cooling output in the summer. BLACKDECKER recommends that this unit is used in spaces up to 350 square feet as far as cooling is concerned. 14,000 BTU can be enough to theoretically cool down spaces up to 500 square feet. In the recommended up to 350 square feet spaces, however, you will have no problems decreasing the air temperature to as low as 55 degrees Fahrenheit. The heater runs at 11,000 BTU heating output when at 100% capacity. It can heat up spaces up to 375 square feet, more than the recommended 350 square feet for cooling, and you can achieve the top temperature of 81 degrees Fahrenheit. BLACKDECKER BPAC 14HWT has fairly high energy efficiency. For 14,000 BTU of cooling output, it requires 1,450 watts of electrical power. This yields an EER rating of 9.7, well above 8.5 average. For 11,000 BTU of heating output, it draws 1,200 watt. All in all, BLACKDECKER BPAC 14HWT is the most beloved portable air conditioner with heater. It is a tried and tested reliable method that's easy to set up and operate, and can produce quite a lot of cooling heating output for a very affordable below $500 cost. Number 2. Another option I recommend is the Pioneer Y012A19 air conditioner and heater combo. It has 12,000 BTUs and is also available in up to 36,000 BTUs for large rooms. This unit uses a mini split inverter system together with a built-in heat pump. It also boasts a 19C rating and 10 HSPF for optimal energy efficiency. Moreover, this is bundled with 16-feet installation kit. It's fully insulated and ready for installation upon purchase. The refrigerant is also pre-charged for line sets between 10 to 25 feet, so you're free to use a longer line than the standard one included. Like the Senville, the Pioneer Y012A19 also has wireless access and programming features. However, these are sold separately, which is slightly inconvenient for those who are looking for a readily set unit. Another thing many users like about this unit is its quiet operation. It also works in 4 modes: heating, cooling, ventilation, fan, and dehumidification. You'll get 4 functions at the price of 1, which is a big money saver. Number 1. If you're looking for the best wall-mounted air conditioner heater combo, the Senville model won't disappoint. This has 12,000 BTUs, complete with a heat pump and an air conditioner. Moreover, the Senville uses a 4-in-1 mini split system. This includes an air conditioner, heat pump, fan, and dehumidifier. So for a single unit, you're going to enjoy 4 different functionalities. This makes the unit worth the splurge if you're planning to get a new heating and cooling appliance. Aside from that, this AC and heater combo is powered by Alexa. You can use voice control to operate this unit, which is a convenient feature for busy households. You can also use this feature to automate operations, which helps in saving electricity in your home. This AC and heater unit is bundled with 16 feet of line set as well as communication wire. Just note that professional installation is required to prevent refrigerant leaks. Overall, this trusted AC and heater combo is backed by a 5-year warranty, both on parts replacement and the compressor. Since this is a mini split type, the Senville fits small rooms without looking bulky. It's also available in high BTU ratings in case you have a bigger room. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe so you don't miss anything. We'll see you next time.